In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Mailchimp to your Wix website. Whether you're looking to enhance your email marketing efforts or streamline your mailing lists, linking these two platforms can be incredibly helpful. So let's dive right into the process step by step. First, you'll want to make your way to the Mailchimp for Wix page on the Wix app market. You can find this by searching for Mailchimp integration by Poco directly on Wix. Once there, you'll see the option to connect. It's a straightforward process. Just click on connect and a pop-up will appear. Make sure to click continue on this pop-up to move forward in the process. If you're not already logged in, Wix may ask you to sign into your account, so have your login credentials handy to avoid interruptions. Upon logging in, you'll be directed to review the necessary permissions that allow Mailchimp to interface with Wix. Take a moment to read through these permissions, and if you agree, go ahead and click on Agree and Add. Next, you'll need to connect your Mailchimp account. Depending on your current session, you might be asked to sign into Mailchimp. Enter your Mailchimp credentials to proceed. Once inside, Mailchimp will guide you through a set of on-screen instructions. Here, it's important to review your data sync options carefully to ensure everything aligns with your preferences. Make sure everything's as you want it, and then click on the Save button to confirm your choices. Finally, to kickstart the sync between your Wix website and Mailchimp, click on Sync Now. This action initiates the connection, allowing both platforms to begin working in unison. Keep in mind that the syncing process might take a little time, especially if you're linking a large amount of data, so be patient and allow it some time to complete the integration fully. And there you have it. Following these steps will seamlessly connect your Mailchimp to your Wix website, setting a solid foundation for future marketing campaigns and communications. Remember, connecting these two platforms opens up numerous possibilities for managing and optimizing your email subscribers directly from your Wix dashboard. If you encounter any issues or require further customization, Wix's support has resources available to help you out. Thanks for tuning in, and happy connecting.